notice here, there is a missing window frame and windows back there.
Don't laugh at my methods. Look at my results. Anyway,
Windows frame is right here. Listening to Corvette bin while I'm working on here. But I see I need a lot of rust removal. Okay, back at it again. Well, Corvette Ben's a guy I follow on YouTube. He does a lot of great work. Lives down in Texas. I'm gonna give him a shout out. I'm gonna be doing framework here. Fortunately, it's not rusted out anywhere. It's just surface rust. Get that all sanded down and get it painted. So that's my next step. I got all my parts for it. Put the dash bezel back in place here. It's just sitting in there. It's not tied down or anything. But this is my dash pad. I put a vinyl coat over it. But, well, I tell you what, working with that glue and trying to get it just right, it's real hard. You can see here there's cracks in the old one underneath. And I didn't get those filled in good. And then, like, had trouble with the adhesive. I had to pull it up again, and it left a bunch of bumps. So I think I'm just going to buy another one. I just didn't want to have to fork out $250. I may try doing this one over again. I don't know. But anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. So, well, all during the coronavirus outbreak, I got time on my hands, so I'll be able to get some things done. Since we're not supposed to go out or anything. And you can see the old one is just, I just cut that off because it was just no good. One part's going to be getting that rubber out because that rubber's hard as a rock. I'm going to be careful and not break the glass when I'm removing it. So, but that'll be upcoming. I'll have the camera set up and be doing some sanding, and I'll record that, do the time-lapse stuff. Just kind of fun. So, till next time. Okay. Well, I'm not real busy, so I guess I'll work on the car. Kind of wet outside today. I'm going to prep the frame so that I can paint it. I'll do some sanding and some roughing up and smoothing out. I'll get to work. I'm not going to bore you with the whole thing. I'll just show you how I'm doing some stuff. And it helps to have the right pad on the drill. Plus these neat little drill things are kind of cool. They work with sandpaper on them. Do a good job on these little areas that are hard to get into. As you can see, I keep my work area nice and tidy. You know, don't leave it messy so that stuff gets in my way while I'm trying to work. Oh wait, I do. Well, the next time you look at this, it'll be all cleaned up and ready to paint. Okay, so what I've done is sand it, prep it, now it's ready to paint. I'll be taking it outside, I'm going to paint it. Also, I'm going to paint the duct trim or the defrost as well. So, see a little bit. It's all going to be part of the same video, by the way. Be back. Getting ready to paint. First, the primer. Remember to shake up the can before you start painting. I wonder if anybody noticed the mistake I made. Always paint the back side first. Or cheat. Not too worried about it because it's primer. This piece here, I'm not painting it because it's vinyl. It's an old plastic vinyl. And I have some material I'm going to cover that up with that's vinyl. So that's why I'm not worried about it. Alright, I'm going to let that dry. And I'll put on the second coat. Or probably do maybe a little sanding. Till next time. Put on the first coat of black. Normally I'd have the can about this far away from the paint, but I got a crosswind that's blowing, so I'm having to get closer in order to get the paint onto metal. Do that without scratching. Done. Just ran out. Always make sure you have enough paint in your paint. Pick up toilet paper! Huh? Pick up toilet paper! Remember to hit that subscribe button and give me a like if you enjoy these. So I'm going to try to get better at them. Dumb bugs. Such a beautiful day. Now just give it a couple of days, let it dry, and be reinstalling it on the red car. And here are the vents. These guys, I don't remember if I showed you this or not, but they go right here. Right on there like that. I'll let them dry and set up. I'm gonna have to find another set because I don't have ones for the, oh shit. Never mind. Coming up next, installing the windshield.